Whether you're laying down grooves in the studio or lighting up the stage, nothing beats the raw power and warmth of analog drum machines. In this video, we're diving into the best of the best machines that have defined genres, shaped sounds, and fueled the creativity of musicians around the world. From classic kick drums to snappy snares and everything in between, these machines bring the heat and elevate your beats to the next level. Let's explore the top analog drum machines that should be on every producer's radar. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. IK Multimedia UNO Synth. Enthusiasts of IK Multimedia UNO Synth, as well as the brand itself, may find the UNO drum to be a compelling addition. This drum machine shares numerous design features with the UNO Synth, such as its weight, dimensions, front panel layout, and rotary controls. The UNO drum is equipped with 4 dials that allow users to control a variety of parameters located at the top left of the device. It features a 16-step sequencer positioned beneath 12 touch-sensitive drum pads, along with 12 drum components distributed across 100 preset kits, enabling the creation of up to 100 unique patterns. A notable feature of the UNO drum is its ability to offer extensive sound manipulation options alongside analog sounds. Users can easily shape, blend, stretch, and modify nearly every sound, whether it originates from analog sources or PCM. In summary, one could easily spend hours developing unique and highly personalized kits. If IK Multimedia continues to support this drum machine as they do with their other software, it is likely that additional sounds will be made available through future software updates. As it stands, the UNO drum is a lightweight and compact piece of IK hardware that not only performs exceptionally well, but also boasts an appealing design. Even larger drum machines may struggle to match its functionality. Number 4. Behringer RD-6-AM. The Behringer RD-6-AM is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of analog drum machines without breaking the bank. With its vibrant yellow finish, this drum machine not only stands out visually, but also delivers in terms of sound and functionality. The device showcases 8 classic drum sounds, imparting a timeless essence that enriches your compositions with a vintage ambience. The responsive drum pads offer a tactile and pleasurable playing experience, facilitating precise and controlled rhythm production. A significant advantage of the Behringer RD-6 lies in its simplicity. It encourages users to immerse themselves in the creative process, articulate their musical ideas, and seamlessly bring their tracks to fruition. The RD-6-AM has been meticulously crafted to uncover new avenues in beat creation by reimagining a classic model from one of the most esteemed drum machines in history. By merging a contemporary approach with a traditional drum machine, the RD-6-AM allows users to capture the unique sound of the iconic TR-606 while integrating innovative features. From robust bass drums to crisp hi-hats and the genuine BR-110 clap sound, each element can be fine-tuned to elevate your rhythmic performance. This instrument is a true analog powerhouse for beat making. To enhance performance capabilities, the RD-6-AM is outfitted with a 16-step drum sequencer that facilitates real-time transitions between 32 distinct patterns. You can effortlessly create song structures on the fly and customize them to meet your specific needs. Number 3. KORG Volca Beats. The KORG Volca Beats analog drum machine is an exceptional choice for beginners looking to dive into the world of rhythm production. This compact, battery-powered device offers a wide range of classic analog drum sounds, from punchy kicks to snappy snares and crisp hi-hats, all with the unmistakable warmth and depth that only analog circuits can deliver. Promoted as a cost-effective substitute for the traditional 808, this device offers a variety of hip-hop drum sounds that are compatible with sequencers. It features 6 analog components and 4 PCM components, all of which can be fully customized, allowing users to fully unleash their creativity. Furthermore, It includes the ability to save 16-step patterns for later playback. For novices in the realm of drum machines, the KORG Volca Beats is an excellent entry point. Its limited features prevent users from feeling overwhelmed, while its simple design promotes both learning and creative expression. The portability of the device is a significant advantage. However, its compact dimensions may make it difficult to manipulate the knobs situated in the center of the interface. The Volcas present a variety of portable and user-friendly analog beats, bass, and synthesizers. When confronted with limitations and the desire to create wish lists, I consistently reminded myself of the associated maintenance costs to maintain a balanced perspective. KORG's Volcas offer an appealing and engaging selection for those seeking analog rhythmic pleasure. Their ability to operate as MIDI modules adds to their appeal. However, their true value is most appreciated by individuals who enjoy improvisation, enabling spontaneous beginnings and endings, along with extensive customization options. Number 2. Roland TR-8S. The Roland TR-8S analog drum machine is a true evolution of the classic TR-808 and TR-909 machines, offering an incredible blend of iconic sounds with modern flexibility. As a producer who values both authenticity and creativity, the TR-8S quickly became an essential tool in my studio. This device incorporates all the iconic TR sounds characteristic of earlier drum machines while providing enhanced flexibility through the capability to import samples via an SD card. This functionality greatly broadens the spectrum of sounds that can be utilized. The TR-8S allows users to play one pattern while concurrently developing others, rendering it an essential tool for live performances. The color-coded buttons offer a clear understanding of the interface's operations. In conclusion, it is recognized as one of the most accessible drum machines on the market, featuring a variety of tools to create captivating grooves and performances. Nonetheless, a significant drawback is the lack of triplet support, which limits the incorporation of triplets in any drum patterns. The Roland TR-8S is recognized for its versatility and durability, effectively merging the legacy of the TR series with contemporary technological innovations. It serves as an excellent option for musicians aiming to fuse classic and modern sounds in their compositions, establishing it as one of the top drum machines suitable for both live performances and studio environments. Whether you require an exceptional drum machine tailored for guitarists or a robust instrument for electronic music production, the TR-8S provides a comprehensive solution that caters to a diverse array of requirements. Number 1. Behringer RD-9. The Behringer RD-9 analog drum machine is a must-have for any musician or producer looking to capture the essence of classic drum sounds with a modern twist. Inspired by the iconic Roland TR-909, this machine delivers punchy, analog-driven beats that have defined countless tracks across various genres. In authentic mode, users have the ability to produce sounds that are both rich and warm. Conversely, the enhanced mode intensifies these classic tones, providing a wide array of customization possibilities. Equipped with a flexible sequencer, intuitive controls, and comprehensive connectivity options, the RD-9 guarantees seamless integration into contemporary production environments while maintaining a nostalgic vintage character. Upon first listening to the RD-9, it becomes clear why the TR-909 did not achieve significant commercial success. The 909 has difficulty replicating the sound of a genuine drummer. Nevertheless, it has been featured in numerous tracks, and interest in the RD-9 is on the rise, as it offers a sound reminiscent of the authentic TR-909 without the exorbitant price tag associated with collectors. While I do not possess an original 909 for direct comparison, the RD-9 appears to closely mimic a true TR-909 based on various comparison videos. In a mix, it is unlikely that anyone would discern a difference. Moreover, actual 909s do not deliver a uniform sound across different units. The RD-9 produces a sound that is impressive, vibrant, and powerful. It is recommended to be cautious with headphone volume, as the RD-9 provides a more substantial impact than a sampler reproducing a 909 sample. Additionally, the effects enhance the overall versatility of the sound profile.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.